everybody, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm here in Dr. Phillips in Orlando to show you this 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. It's in a lakefront community, gated. It's something you've got to see. You have a nice front entry in this 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. So it's 2 stories. And about 3,500 square feet. You have the option of making this floor plan 4 to 5 bedrooms and 3.5 to 4.5 baths. You have a flex room or an office. And the starting price on this home is $596,990. Here we have a half bath downstairs. Nice flooring throughout the home. We come over to our dining room. And then your covered lanai leading out to the pool and a nice lake view. You have your kitchen with a nice long breakfast bar. It is a gas community. Here's your pantry. It's always nice when they have the cabinets drop down so you can put things up there. The decoration. You have your family room right off the kitchen. And this here is nice. If you do a lot of work on your computer, which most people do, or you have kids that are doing their homework, you don't have to worry about clearing off the dining room table. You can do it right here. You have some storage space underneath the stairs. And then your drop zone, taking you out to the 3-car garage. And I'll take you outside. So you're right on the lake. Really pretty view. I'll take you upstairs and show you the bedrooms. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. You have a full-size bath. And a linen closet. Your first bedroom upstairs. And your closet. Over here we have the master bedroom. Nice big walk-in closet. And then your master bathroom. With another closet. No one has to fight over closet space. So you have the windows and the shower. A beautiful view. The lake and the pool. You have the tray ceilings and recessed lighting. Another closet to store things in your laundry room. Lots of cabinets. And you even have a folding table with a nice view of the lake. The closet with additional storage. You have your third bedroom. Your closet. And your Jack and Jill bathroom. Taking you over to the other bedroom. So this would be your fourth bedroom. All the bedrooms are upstairs. You have a really nice view. Of your front entryway. So we are here on Ruby Lake. Please give me a call. My name is Amanda, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.